So first I found my values for a through d by adjusting them so that when put into these equations they would form intersecting conics, and then I did so. And then now in order to find the coordinates of these intersections, I wanted to create an equation in terms of one variable, which would be x. So I did this by solving for y plus 20 squared over 49 as that is found in both of the equations, and then I found what it equals, which is this, and I plugged it in to the second equation so that everything was now in terms of x. So then once I did that, I isolated x plus 7 squared over 13 squared, and then put everything else on the right side, and then I was able to take the square root of both sides to get this, and then eventually I was able to solve for it equals 0. I was not able to eliminate this square root completely because of the way that's formatted and the fact that there's no real easy solution. So once I have this, 0 equals that, I plug this into Desmos in order to be able to find the x values or to find the solutions. The x values for y does equal 0, and I found these to be 8.285 and 10.691, and I have a copy of that Desmos in my written. So then after I had these x values, I plugged them in to this equation from up here for one of the conics, and then once I did that, I was able to solve for the y value, and for each of them in both cases there are two y values because I took the square root of this number and I had to account for the negative and positive possibility of that. So then I ended up getting these four coordinates which correlate with the intersections of the two conics and are correct as according to Desmos.